For best experience, use your headphones.
Third question of less than type. Doing a medical checkup of 35 students of a class. Their weights were recorded as below. Weights in kg. Less than 38, less than 40, less than 42, less than 44, less than 46, less than 48, less than 50, less than 52. Okay. Now number of students 0, 3, 5, 9, 14, 28, 32, 35. After this the question is like this. Draw a less than type ogive and obtain the median from the graph and verify using formula. And now in this sum already less than is given here. Cumulative frequency is given here. I told you if they give you less than, then the corresponding readings in the second column, this becomes cumulative frequency. Number of students column will become cumulative frequency. Weights column will come to x-axis. Cumulative frequency column will come to y-axis. First we will complete the graph and then we will calculate the median. Yes, our graph is ready. This is y-axis, this is x-axis. Now scale plays a very important role. I have taken this x-axis is equal to 1 unit. Now you see 38, 40, 42, that means it is difference of 2. The size of class interval is 2. So 1 unit is equal to 2. Now you see here maximum you have 35. So what I will do, I will take 1 unit as 5. I can take 10 but it will become very small graph. That is why I am selecting 5. Now start writing here. Y-axis 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Now on x-axis, what is this? This is number of students. Number of students. Okay. Now I am coming on x-axis. This is weight. Weights are measured in kgs. So first reading, because it is not starting from 0, it is starting from 38. Next 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. So according to the reading, the same size graph you can write x-axis and y-axis. Now see, for 38 it is 0. 38 0 means same point. This is the point 38. The same point on x-axis is 38 0. Next for 40 it is 3. 43. 40 is here. Now you should remember one thing. Before going to mark 3, I am telling you one thing here. 0 to 5 you will have 10 boxes. But it is 0 to 5. 10 boxes should be divided into 5 parts. That means 2 boxes will become 1 part. So here if you want to mark 3, that means you have to count small 6 boxes. 5 and 6. So this will be 3 units. Now for 42 you have got 5. 42 here, 5 means 5 2s are 10. It is here. You can notice 5. So 10 small boxes you have to count. Now for 44 it is 9. For 44 it is 9. 9 means 18 boxes you should count. This is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Now for 46 it is 14. For 46 it is 14. See here, 14 means 28 boxes you should count. This is 10 is here. From 10 you need 28. That means 8 boxes you should count. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. For 46 you have to identify 14. Here is 10. Again 4 I have to mark. 4 I have to mark means small boxes. 2 is 1 unit. So 8 boxes. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 14. Next for 48 you have got 28. For 48 it is 28. 48 is here. Okay. This is 20. This is 25. Now 28. After 25, 3. That means 6 boxes. 25. 2 boxes will become 26. Other 2 boxes will become 27. Other 2 boxes will become 28. That means 6th box you have to mark here. Next. For 50 it is 32. 50 is here. 30 is here. 32 means 4th box you have to mark. 2 box is considered as 1 unit. So 32 means 4th box you have to mark. Now for 52 it is 35. For 52, 35 is here exactly. Now using, of course you have to use only pencil. For clarity and visibility I am using pen. No need of using scale. You have to connect all the points with smooth curve. You can notice I am not using any scale. Without scale I am connecting each and every point with a smooth curve. Your OGV is ready. Now write all the readings, that is coordinates. This is 38 0. 38 0. Next 43. For 40 it is 3. So next reading 42 5. 42 5. Next reading is 44 and 9. 44 9. Next reading is 46 14. Next reading is 48 28. Next reading is 50 32. The last reading is 52 35. Your OGV is ready. Now you have to identify the median using this graph. To identify the median, n is required. To identify the median, n is required. To identify the median, n is required. So you can notice, because this is cumulative frequency, definitely n will be 35. So n by 2. 35 by 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. 17.5. Now this 17.5 you have to locate it on y axis. 17.5 we have to locate it on y axis. 15 is here. Another small 2 boxes will become 16. Another 2 small boxes it will become 17. So next you have to mark it 17.5. So 2 box will become 16. Other 2 box it will become 17. So after that 1 box if you mark it will become 17.5. So this point is 17.5. Okay. So now you have to take a scale. You have to draw one horizontal line. You have to draw one horizontal line. And that horizontal line should touch your ogive. Then from here you have to mark one vertical line. You have to mark one vertical line. You have to mark one vertical line. Like this. One horizontal line. From here exactly with the help of these printed lines you have to draw one vertical line. Now you can notice you are getting your median here. Okay, you are getting your median here. So what is the median? So what is the median? Median is equal to 46 point. We'll check here. So 46 to 48, only 2 numbers, isn't it? So entire 10 should be divided by 2. So if this is 46, 46, you see 1, see 5 is here, 1 box behind 5. So it will become 46.9. It is not 47 because 1 box behind. So this will become 46.9. Median is 46.9. Now what you should do? We have to calculate using the formula to verify this answer. Now to verify the answer, what are all the things required? Class interval is required. Frequency is required. Cumulative frequency is required. Already when I was teaching you median, I told you if they give you less than or more than, then this column will become cumulative frequency. So I've got cumulative frequency column. This column itself is cumulative frequency column. You have to remember. Now I need class interval below less than 38. Less than 38. Now 38 to 40. Below 40 means 38 to 40. Below 42 means 40 to 42. Below 44 means 42 to 44. Below 46 means 44 to 46. Below 48 means 46 to 48. Below 50 means 48 to 50. Below 50 means it is below 52 means it is 50 to 52. Now how to find the frequency? I told you this first will remain as it is. 3 minus 0, 3. Okay. 5 minus 3, 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 14 minus 9, 5. 28 minus 14 is 14. 32 minus 28. 32 minus 28 means how much? 4. 35 minus 32. That means 3. So you can check. 0 plus 3, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 14, 28. 28 plus 4, 32. 32 plus 3 is 35. So our original frequency is correct. Now n by 2. Our median always starts from n by 2. You have got 17.5. Now you have to check 17.5. In cumulative frequency, you don't have 17.5. The next number to 17.5 is 28. So whatever the information you want, everything you get in this column. Everything you get in this column. This is L. Okay, because this is median class interval. 14 is F. Preceding to 28 will become CF. So here again 14 is CF. Now list and use the formula. So L 46. Okay. Next F 14. Okay. Next after F CF. CF is 14. CF is also 14. H. So H means how much? 52 minus 50 means 2. So size of class interval is 2. What is the formula for median? Median is equal to L plus, open the bracket, n by 2 minus CF by F into H. Median is equal to L is 46. You can notice here 46. L is 46 plus n by 2 is 17.5 minus CF is 14 divided by F is also 14 into 2. Now median is equal to 46 plus 17.5 minus 14, that means you will get 3.5 divided by 14 into 2. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So median is equal to 46 plus 3.5. If you divide by 7, you will get 0.5. So median is equal to 46.5.